In this video, I am going to start your exercise 8.2 question number 1. All the parts, that is 1 up to 7, 1 to 7. The first number 1, evaluate the following. Sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. For solving this type of sum, you need to know the trigonometry table. So if you learn it, then it's very good, and if you don't learn it, you can make it. And how will you make a trigonometry table? I will provide a separate video. You can watch it. In the link will be given in the description. Okay. So now let's start. The first, sin 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And what is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is also root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 degree is half, and also cos 60 degree is half. Now 2 2s are 4, and root 3 into root 3 is 3, because root 3 square is 3. Plus 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Now take LCM. 3 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3, plus 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. So answer is 1. So this is your number 1. Now next number 2. So now number 2. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So tan square 45 degree. The value of tan 45 degree is the value of tan 45 degree is 1. That is 1 square. Okay. So now plus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, and cos square 30 degree, that's why square. Minus sin 60 degree is also root 3 by 2, so square. So 1 square is 1, so 2 into 1 plus root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. So plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 will be cancelled, and 2 ones are 2. So this is your number 2. Now number 3, cos 45 degree. What is the value of cos 45 degree? Is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 degree. If you don't know the value of sec 30 degree, then if you know the value of cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. The inverse of cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree is sin 30 degree. Inverse of sin 30 degree is half. So cosec 30 degree is 2 by 1, that is 2. You can write here 2 also. So now take LCM. 1 by root 2. Here LCM is root 3 and 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So now 1 by root 2, and this will go to the numerator. And so 2 plus 2 root 3, you write here 2 plus 2 root 3. So in denominator you get root 3 root 3 in numerator, and in denominator you get 2 root 2 plus root 2 into root 3 is root 6. So you write here 2 root 6. Now I will do it here. Now in the denominator you get root 2 and root 6. So you rationalize the denominator. Okay. So remove the irrational term, that is 2 root 2. How will you rationalize? Root 2 root 6. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So write it extra. So you need to write it in the numerator also. That is root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now you see here a plus b into a minus b is the formula of a squared minus b squared. 3 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 6 minus 2 into 6 3s are 18. So you write here 2 root 18. Okay. So 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2. 2 square is 4 and root 6 square is 6. And here you write 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. So here 4 2s are 8 minus 4 6s are 24, and here you get 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. 24 is 8 minus 24 is 16, and minus 16, and 2 will be common here. So root 6 minus root 18. 2 8s are 16. Now take the minus term in the numerator, then the negative term will become positive, that is 18. Root 18 will be positive and minus root 6 will be negative, and in the numerator you get 8. So this is your answer, root 18 minus 6 by 8. Okay. 4. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cos x 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So first you put the values of the ratios, that is sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is 1 minus cos x 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree is half plus cot 45 degree is 1. Now I will solve it. So LCM will be 2 root 3. So right here 2 root 3. 2, 2. So root 3 1 is root 3 plus 1 is there, so 2 root 3 minus root 3 is there, 2 2s are 4. In denominator also LCM is 2 root 3. So root 3 is there, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 is there, that is root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now root 2 root 3 to root 3 will be cancelled. So now root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus 1 another root 3, that is 3 root 3. So right here 3 root 3 minus 4. 4 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now you rationalize the denominator. In your class 9 you did it. So exactly like this. Here you see 3 root 3 plus 4, then you multiply this by another 3 root 3 minus 4. Now you see 3 root 3 plus 4. So I multiply another term, that is 3 root 3 minus 4. So here 3 root 3 minus 4, if you multiply another 3 root 3 minus 4, then you get a square. So a minus b whole square, a square minus twice a b plus b square, and here a plus b into a minus b, that is 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. 3 square is 9 into 3 minus 4 square is 16. Here also 3 square is 9 into 3 root 3 square is 3 and minus 2 3s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So 16 root 3. Sorry, 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 root 3 plus 4 square is 16. So 9 3s are 27 minus 16. 27 minus 16 will be 11, and 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16. So 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. So this is your answer, 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Okay. So now number 5. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. The first cos square 60 degree. So you put the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is half. 1 by 2 and square it, because here cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Okay. So 2 by root 3 and square it, because sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree. Value of tan 45 is 1, so 1 square. Okay. So now sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is half and square it, because sin square 30. Here also cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. So now square the terms. 5 to 5 into 1 square to 1, 2 square 4 plus 4 into 2 square 4 root 3 square is 3 minus 1. 1 by 4 plus root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. Now 4 5 by 4, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1. Here you take LCM 4, that is 1 plus 3 is also. You get in the denominator 4 by 4 and the numerator take LCM 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12, 16 4s are 64. Okay, now 12 ones are 12. Okay, now 4 will be cancelled, so there will be no denominator term. So you get here is 15 plus 64, 4 plus 5 9, and 6 plus 1 7, that is 79 minus 12 divided by 12. So 9 minus 2 7, and 7 minus 1 6. So 67 by 12 is your 6. Cosec 30 degree, the value of cosec 30 degree is 2 and cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3 and cosec 90 degree is 1. Okay. Now sec 0 degree, sec 0 degree is 1 plus sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 and sec 60 degree is 2. Okay. Now you take the LCM, root 3, 2 root 3 will be, then here root 3 ones are root 3, 2 ones are 2, plus here you get root 3. Next, root 3 ones are root 3, plus root 3 2 ones are 2, and here root 3 is there, so 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 will be cancelled. Okay, so what you write here, 2 root 3 plus root 3, you get 3 root 3 plus 2. And here 2 root 3 plus root 3, that is 3 root 3 plus you get 2. Now you see here 2 root 3, 3 root 3 plus 2 and 3 root 3 plus 2. So they will be cancelled and the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. So last of the number is answer. So that's all for today.